SBA Publications.
Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy at your homes. Myself Sunisati, your mentor, and today with me we will start alphabet fun. So let's start it. Kids, in this chapter we will learn about alphabet. So let's start it. Write the correct letter for each picture and read out the word you get. So we have to read the letter, read the alphabet, and we have to pronounce the name of the picture. So first is aeroplane. Aeroplane starts with the letter A. Now B. B says ball. C says cat. And here the picture of dog. D says dog. Now E says elephant. F says fish. Now G says grapes. Garden. H says hen. Horse. I. This is a inkpot. Inkpot starts with the letter I. So I says inkpot. Now J says joker. K says kite. L says lion. The king of a jungle. Now M says monkey. And what's this? A nose. So nose starts with the letter N. So N says nose. O says orange. P says parrot. Q says queen. R says rabbit. Now what is this picture? This is the picture of a sun. So sun. The word sun starts with the letter S. So this is S for sun. S says sun. Now T says tiger. U says umbrella. We use it in a rainy weather. Now V says van, school van, etc. So V says van. And what is the picture? This is the picture of a watch. So watch word starts with the letter W. So now W says watch. Now this is X. X says Xmas tree or Xerox, xylophone. And now this is the picture of yak. So yak starts with the letter Y. So this is Y says yak. Y for yak. Now Z. Z says zebra. Z says zip. So now start doing the activity. What is this picture? This is the picture of yak. So here we have to write the letter which starts with the word yak. So Y says yak. Now this is the picture of nose, and the word nose starts with N. The letter N. So N says nose. Here is the picture of aeroplane. Aeroplane starts with the letter A. So we will write here A. Now dog. Dog starts with the letter D. So D says dog. Now what is this? This is an inkpot. So I says inkpot. Inkpot starts with the letter I. Now sun. Sun starts with the letter S. So we will write here S. Now watch. Watch starts with the letter W. So we will write here W. Here we completed the fun exercise. Now the phonics drill. Short vowels. A, E, I, O and U. Repeat after me. There are five short vowels in our alphabet. So what are those? A, E, I, O and the last one U. In a similar way, there are long vowels also. A, E, I, O, U. So, let's read some words which start with this. A, cat, cat. Here, A is in the middle. Now, tap, T-A-P, tap. Now, E, belt, belt. And here, B. Here is the long vowel, B. Now, ice, ice. Ice is ice. And kit, kit. O, top and boat. Now, the vowel U. So, sun and the truck. And the truck. There are some words which starts with the vowel and there are some words which include the vowels. So, after reading this, we have more exercise. See, recall. Color the candies with balls with orange color. So, we have to color those candies only which have the balls. Okay, not the rest of alphabets. So, let's start it. Here is A. Is A a ball? Yes, so we will color it with the orange color. So, now I am doing orange color. Now B is not a ball. O, yes, O is a ball. Now B is not a ball, M is not a ball. E is a ball. So we will color it also. In a similar way, I is a ball. And the last one is U is the ball. So M is not a ball, S is not a ball, F is not a ball. Here U is the last ball. So after coloring, let's move to the next topic, that is short A. Short A. So let's start it. Now here there are some words which ends with AG, ag. Ag. So let's make new words by using consonants. See, ag, tag. Here rag, 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 rag. Ag, sag. Now ag, nag. Ag, bag. Wag, wag. Here ag, wag. So now the second column says the words which ends with at. 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 So now cat. Cat. Bat. Fat. Hat. Mat. At. Rat. In a similar way, the words which ends with A and an. So now the words are v and van. R and ran, r and ran, p and pan, k and can, f and fan, m and man. After these, there are more words which ends with ad, ad. So, s at sat, l at lad, p at pat. Similar way, d at dad. H at had, H at had, M at mad. Now, the words which ends with AP, app. So, L app, lap, K app, cap, N app, nap, S-app, sap. T-app, tap. And the M-app, map. Now, the word which ends with A-M, am. Am. So, ram. R-am, ram. Y-A-M, yam. Y-am, yam. J-am, jam. D-am, dam. H-am, ham. And M-A-M, am, ma'am. Now, we have another activity for you. So, match the picture with correct words. So, we have to see the picture, we have to understand what this picture is, and after that we have to match with the correct word. So, see here firstly what we have. Rat. Rat. We have rat. So, we are matching rat with the word rat here. See, here read aloud. A lad, lad has a cap. Cap. So, lad के पास cap है. A lad has a cap. A lad has a cap. Now, cat, cat, sat, on a mat. So, cat sat on a mat. Cat sat on a mat. बिल्ली मैट पे चटाई पे बैठी है. Now, read the given word and circle them in the given paragraph. So, we have to read the words and we have to circle them in the paragraph. So, what are those words? Hat, rat, sat, cat, moat, mat. So, now, reading the paragraph. Here is a cat. Here it's cat. So, here is a cat. So, according to the box, word cat, we have circled them. Now, the cat sat on a mat. So, the sat word, we are circling the sat word. Now, mat, here is the mat. So, we will circle the word mat and cat. Now, the cat had a hat. So, the cat, cat, her at hat. The cat had a hat. We are circling the words hat, rat, sat, cat and mat. Now, the rat sat on the hat. So, we will circle rat, sat on the her at hat. Now, the cat and rat. So, the words are at cat, at rat. Cat and rat. Last line, that sat and sat. So, we will circle the at sat, at sat. Sat. Now, long A. So, let's read with me. Read aloud. Race. Race. Bake. Slate. In a similar way, cake. Plate. Flame. Here, lake. Take. Make. Now, see, the second long vowel is I. So, train. Fail. Paint. Now, mail. Sail. Brain. Rain. Snail. Chair. Now, look at the pictures and say each word aloud. Count the number of syllables you hear in each word. Then, tick the box that shows how many syllables it has. So, now what we have to do in this exercise, we have to find the number of syllables in the following words. See, teacher. What is syllables? to break them for reading it easier. So now what is the syllables of teacher? 2. That is teach and er. Now the robot, robot. So it has also 2 syllables. Now the word is boat. Boat has only 1 syllable. Boat. Now tree. Tree has also only 1 syllable. C. Tree. Now acorn. So how we do read it? A and corn. Acorn. So it has also 2 syllables. So that's all for this video. Keep on learning. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.